Crafting the perfect hotel listing starts with knowing what guests are actually looking for. This episode will walk you through the elements to make your hotel stand out and convert lookers into bookers. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the Hotelier Helpcast and ring that bell so you never miss another episode packed with hotel management gold. Are your listings just sitting there like stale toast at a breakfast buffet? If so, this episode is for you. Crafting a compelling hotel listing on Booking.com isn't just about uploading pretty pictures and calling it a day. It's about psychology, clarity, and a sprinkle of personality. Whether you run a cozy boutique hotel, bursting with charm, or a five-star resort, this is how to stand out in a sea of sameness. What's your headline saying or not saying? Your title is your first hook. Make it irresistible. Now, let's be honest. Beautiful room in a great location tells me nothing. It's like calling a croissant a piece of bread. You've got 50 to 70 characters to stop the scroll. Use them. Use power words like romantic, secluded, family-friendly, eco-chic. Mention a unique feature. Mountain view balcony. Pet-friendly inn with homemade breakfast. I have a question for you. If your listing title was All the Guests Saw, would they click? Here's a tip. Test 3 title variations using Booking.com's A/B testing tool. Small tweaks equal big results. Photos sell. Are yours screaming or snoozing? People browse with their eyes. Your listing photos are your handshake. Let me tell you what I don't want to see. Unmade beds, poorly lit bathrooms, or 10 photos of the same vase. Instead, start with your hero image. That one shot that screams, "Stay here." Use natural light. Shoot at the golden hour if you can. Show people using the space, laughing over coffee, working by the window, kids jumping into the pool, and for heaven's sakes, clean your lens. That smudge is not a filter. Want more visibility tips? Check out the Hotelier Helpcast podcast. Now here's another great tip. Hire a student photographer for a professional shoot on a budget. A fresh lens, literally and figuratively, makes a huge difference. Nail the description. Talk to the guests, not at them. Don't just list features, tell a story. Imagine this. Welcome to our coastal inn, where every morning starts with fresh scones and seagulls singing you awake. Feels different than double room, ensuite, Wi-Fi, free parking. Listing platforms love rich descriptions. So do your future guests. Use short paragraphs and break up text with bullet points. Write like you speak, warm, friendly, with a hint of humor. Anticipate and answer common questions. For our video walkthroughs and expert interviews, visit our Hotel Helpcast YouTube channel. And here's a great tip for you. Start your description with an emotional benefit. You'll sleep like royalty in our feather-top beds after a day of wine tasting. Set up smarter availability and pricing. If your calendar's broken, so is your income. Too many owners set it and forget it. But pricing and availability are living things. And trust me, guests notice when your price feels off. Here's another tip for you. Booking.com's smart pricing tools can save your bacon during the off-season. Also, sync your calendar across platforms with a channel manager. Double bookings are the fastest way to tank your reviews. Make sure to review your prices weekly and adjust them based on events, demand, and your competitors' rates. Your reviews. Get them, use them, show them off. A glowing review is your best salesperson. Here's the deal. Guests trust guests more than they trust you. So make it easy to leave reviews. Thank them and display those glowing comments proudly on your listings. Even a 4-star review can sell if it sounds genuine. Showcase your responses too. Thoughtful replies equal credibility. Use your best review as part of your listing's description. It builds trust fast. What's the one thing guests always compliment about your property? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Hook with clear, emotional headline. Use photos that tell a story. Write descriptions like you're talking to a friend. Stay on top of pricing and availability. Leverage every good review. A great hotel listing does more than inform. It invites. It connects with your ideal guests and makes them feel like your place is exactly where they belong. You've got charm. You've got heart. Now you've got the right tools. Want deeper support? The Hotel Owner's Roadmap, 90 Days to More Bookings, More Time, and Less Stress course is packed with practical strategies like these. You'll learn how to set up your property for sustainable, standout success. Now, if you liked this episode, you might also like How Can Independent Hotels Maximize Exposure on OTAs? Episode 55. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. And if you like what we're doing, feel free to buy us a coffee.